All right, we're here at Akron BMX. It's a championship weekend for the state of Ohio. Today is the pre-race. Doing money opens, double points race for class, double points for class, double points for cruiser. And then tomorrow is triple points. So I'm racing open today, class today. Tomorrow I'm racing class cruiser. Sitting at number 1 in class right now, number 3 in cruiser. So hopefully I can get to number 1 in cruiser and hold number 1 in class, but we'll see what happens. You know how that goes.
What's up, man? We're out here state finals, Akron BMX 2024. Boss man's about to get first all weekend long. About to get state 1. You already know. Like, subscribe, and share.
Yeah, see, just like you said. So that's what I'm trying to do. Get number 1, and like you said, go subscribe, like, share. But time to hit some practice for Saturday. I'm about to step into the 16 and over money open. I don't know what's gonna happen. See if I can get to the main. If I get to the main, then I call it a good day. Or the fast ass little kids.
Kevin Edwards, 8-4 right now. Kevin 4. Total 1.
All right.
Tyler is 8, Devin is 6, Brandon's 4.
Oh, yeah, Brandon.
He's right in, man.
Where am I at?
You're gonna be a Moto 1. Oh, the first one. First round. Hold on.
Oh shit, hold on. We're at
Hold this gate up.
2 or 7.
7.
All right, hold on. I gotta go with 7 to throw me in 7. Hold on, guys.
Oh, my phone.
No, you're good.
All right, you good now, Greg? All right, riders, here we go.
Attention. Okay, riders, radar start. Riders, ready. Watch the gate. It's all Zach Moore. Small risk racing down the last turn. The crop duster popping his way in there. Lead down around.
All right, that was good old open. Kids are fast. They didn't even have me in the actual sheet. Had filmed me to the first rack of 16 and over, which was honestly the fast rack. On the class, there's 3 of us, but one guy just tapping the gate, so it's just really 2 of us racing. Yeah?
Fans on top, the 1-5 is Doltz in the 2 spot. It's Adam Doltz, 1 and 2. Adam Doltz gonna go 1-2 in the first round.
Here we go.
Attention. Okay, riders, right up start. First from the top guard, I got the 1-7 in the 2 spot. Riders, ready, watch the gate. 1, 2, and 3. Going high, going low, coming down around the show. Liam on top, wide there, Lewis in the 2 spot. Adam Fleet, doing Jansen and Renzi. 2 riders moving on. I got for the Nintendo Jansen, it's going to be Leaf and Nintendo 1 and 2. 3 and 4. Moving on. This is the last track of the first round. Last track of the first round. There'll be 5 minutes before they 12-minute semis. The 12-minute open semis are coming up. Boss man on top, Doltz in the 2 spot right now. 1-5 going 1 and 2 down last straightaway. Boss man gets the win.
All right, missed about 1 spot in the money open for the fast kids, but I'm about to check out these mains. I just missed the 12 and under main. Let's see if we can catch this. What is it? 13 to 16 and 16.
Ryan Van Loo. I think it's Sophia Tilly up there. Ryan Van Loo, Liam Burgess, Josh Stokes, and Mikey Tonkovic.
All right, guys, good luck.
Okay, riders, right up start. Riders, ready, watch the gate. And away we go! Come on, man, takes off. I got Stokes on the outside. Here comes the boys down in turn 1. Tonkovic, Stokes, Stuno, and Dose. Back during that 3 spot, put on the gas right now. Looks like Wyatt Man, Lou, 1, 2, 8, and 3. It's all the while, man, popping that big side. It's Prerace, LBO 1 and 2. The Midwest Box, back in the 3. Tonkovic, Stokes, and Lou, 1, 2, 3. Oh, man. Simon, giving that 4 spot. Wheat colors, hitting that 5. Gotta be BMX man. Got on the last turn, still a wild man. Mike Tonkovic, big race to Australia. Tonkovic, here it goes. Wild man gets the win. Stokes gets the 2.
Y'all got me out of the main. Good luck.
Get that game out of play.
Oh, yeah. On the gate, 16 open. 16 over Straightenberg open. Wayne O'Harick. Max Smallwood. Dylan Sabrell. Gavin Bradley. Gavin Crock. Zach Bowler. And Evan Fleet.
All right, guys, good luck. Here we go.
Attention. Okay, riders, right up start. Riders, ready, watch the gate. And moving back, we are off. outside. Bradley on the inside, rocking the main election right now, but it's all the way to the other one. Get behind Brock in that top spot. Roharic, Bradley, 1 and 2. Roharic, Bradley. Fuller, Lee, Smallwood, Jansen, Sorrell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. The ball is on and it's all Roharic on the top. Now last two, they go able to start in the third turn. Roharic gets the win. Bradley gets the 2 spot. Fuller.
Good job, guys.
I would have lovely took 8th place for that one.
That is one top.
All right, 8th place, yeah, well, that was a good one. All right, main's coming up.
Lee, Sorrell, Yarito, Dalton.
Attention. Okay, riders, random start.
4635 X top.
Riders, ready? Watch the gate.
Mark, let's go bang into the gate. 5-4. And it was under 9 up top. 1, 2, and 3. Jack Fuller over to the left. Tommy Wagner, which we don't know where he's at. We've seen him in a long time. Still, it's on Tommy, not going to ball stand the 2 spot, but it's been total points racing all day long.
Ooh, shit.
He goes, Dole gets the win, but gets the 2 overall. Adams will get the 1 overall. And Tommy Wags, wherever you are.
Ooh, legs, cramps. All right, so that was the main. So it was just 2 of us, all 3 laps for the class, or 4 class. So unfortunately, like after the first turn, my forearms, my quads started cramping up like it did last year before I got to my mains. And I literally, you probably heard me talking, but I thought I was about to eat shit. Like I thought it was gonna be the same thing as last year. So I need to hydrate much better tomorrow morning because I got class, I got cruiser tomorrow, and I cannot afford to be going to the main and have everything lock up on me. So this is my gospel, this is my preaching to you guys. Hydrate, 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 eat food, hydrate. You cannot go out here riding these bikes on nothing, all right? So tomorrow's coming up. See you later.